Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. Welcome to my theory tuition series. I've just got a little correction video. I do apologise. It's been noticed, well spotted there folks, that I've got a bit carried away with my ruler, a bit careless with my ruler, and I've just beamed these incorrectly, too busy chatting away to you on the camera instead of concentrating. So I've done all the correct thinking and I've explained the grouping of the notes correctly here. We're grouping to show the crotchet beat, the quarter note beat, and we're reflecting that in the way that we beam these notes, but then I've gone and not carried that through. So I'm just going to rub out these first two beats to show you how I've not quite copied that correctly after my thinking's done. So we know that these four semiquavers, these four 16th notes will be together. So I started off correctly there. But I need to now add another beam here. In fact, it's hard to spot if you just happen to catch it with the lines of the stave there. So we need two lines there to show that they are semiquavers or 16th notes. And then here we know that these three notes are joined together to form a beat. So I'll beam those together. So those three together. However, it's these first two that are the semiquavers or the 16th notes, so the second line should be there. So I do apologise, I just got a little bit careless with my ruler. Thanks for spotting that, folks. So that'll be that, and we'll get cracking and continue with our studies. Thanks for watching, take care, bye.